Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of I'll Be Brief. In depth. The end of the year is an exciting time for reflection and planning, but it's also a critical moment for businesses to ensure they're legally prepared for the year ahead. In this video, we'll walk through the key legal steps every business should take during their year end wrap up. So let's get started. Step 1: Review contracts and agreements. First up, review all of your business contracts and all of your agreements. Are there any that need renewal, renegotiation, or termination? Check for key dates and ensure your terms are still aligned with your goals. This is especially important for vendor agreements, leases, and partnership contracts. Don't forget about those employee contracts. Do you have the A team working for you? And if so, are they being properly compensated for their stellar work? If your contracts don't reflect your business goals, values, and intentions, it is time to make corrections to go into the new year strong. Update your corporate records. Make sure that all of your corporate records are up to date. Have you worked on your meeting minutes? Did you pass any resolutions? Are your shareholder agreements up to date? And do they accurately reflect any changes made this year? If you've added or removed partners, directors, or officers, document those changes properly. But if you've not yet had a corporate meeting, or if you've not checked your filing record with the Department of State yet this year, now is the time. Hurry before it's too late. Even if you are a team of one, take time to review your books, review next year's goals, and document everything. Make sure that you keep your legal protection intact. Step 3: Conduct a compliance check. Compliance is key. Verify that you've met all federal, state, and local regulatory requirements, such as filing annual reports or maintaining required licenses and permits. If you operate in multiple jurisdictions, double check the requirements for each location. Don't forget to make sure that you are paid in full for any licenses that you might have, that you've engaged in any of your continuing education credits that you may need, and that the state is aware of any changes of address or location so that they're sending information to you properly. And most importantly, as we go into 2025, don't forget your beneficial ownership information filing. These are due by January 1st, and failure to timely file carries hefty fines. Don't wait until it's too late. Step 4: Evaluate your tax obligations. Taxes are a big part of the year-end process. Meet with your accountant or your tax advisor to ensure you've accounted for all liabilities, deductions, and credits. Review your payroll taxes, your estimated taxes, and any pending filings to avoid surprises during tax season. Make sure that you meet with the accountant early so you know what to expect and can close your books strong. If this has been a messy year for you, don't forget, new year, new corporate you. Have a plan to do better in 2025. Step 5: Assess employment policies. Year-end is a great time to review your employee policies and procedures. Are your handbooks up to date? Do you even have a handbook? Do your benefits and compliance measures align with current labor laws? Do you know what the current labor laws are? If you don't, reach out to us here at Ingram Law Firm. But if you do, make any necessary adjustments now to avoid issues down the road. Are you thinking about offering benefits in 2025? Now's the time to discuss what benefits you can offer, the cost and impact of those benefits, and what you need to do to put them in place. Make sure you discuss that with a benefit advisor. And know if you're in compliance. Make sure that there's nothing else that you need to do or know so that you're ready to implement everything that you can on January 1st. Step 6: Protect your intellectual property. Don't forget, your intellectual property is very important. Verify that your trademarks, copyrights, and patents are current and properly protected. If you've created new products or content this year, consider filing for protection before the year ends. Because if you have created any new intellectual property, now is definitely the time to protect it. And before you have the protection in place, because let's face it, it could take a while to make sure that you get your trademark and your patent protection. Keep the competitors away by protecting the IP and sending cease and desist letters as necessary. And finally, step 7 is to plan for next year. Finally, use this time to plan for the future. Are there any new regulations or laws coming to effect next year that could impact your business? Work with us here at Ingram Law Firm to create a strategy for staying compliant and ahead of the curve, and to make sure you have all the legal tools to be bold in business in 2025. And there you have it, a comprehensive legal year-end checklist for your business. Taking these steps now can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. If you have questions or need guidance, don't hesitate to reach out to book a discovery call with us here at Ingram Law Firm. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips to help your business thrive. Also, find us on socials at ingramlaw.ny, visit our website at ingramlaw-ny.com, and check out our podcast, Bold Business Briefings. Here's to a successful and legally sound year ahead. Thanks for watching.